Now we're going to discuss about a small while loop exercise. So the exercise will be like this. You have to input your name. Until you do that, our loop will ask for your name. There are a few ways you can accomplish this, but in here let's do the usual method. First, let's declare an attribute name equals nothing. Then while name, let's say equals length of no length of name equals 0. The loop will ask to you to input values. Input, enter your name. It will continue. Well, once you are done with providing your name, this will print your name. Your name is let's try the loop. Yeah, let's first enter something like that. My name is Manusha. So it's going to ask again. So let's see where is the issue. So if the while name length is 0, it's gonna say name. Yeah, in this case we haven't assigned the name value to the input. You just have to simply assign this. And let's try it again. Okay, my name is Manusha. Yeah, your name is Manusha, but let's assume that you haven't entered your name. It's going to ask it until you enter name. But the problem with this program is if you provide a space and just enter, it's going to say your name is just space. It's kind of issue. I mean, you might have to check for whether it's a space or a particular string, but in this case I'm not going to explain that. It's a simple program. If you have any questions, you could comment down below, and thank you for watching.